If your garden is waking up and weeds are already taking over, this is exactly what you need to do right now before it gets worse. This is a full-on takeover mode. We're going to be doing some weed whacking, and by the time we're done, everything's going to look completely different. My garden is officially waking up along with all the weeds. So today we're tackling one of the most satisfying and one of my least favorite jobs to do, weed whacking around the garden beds, in the garden beds, and in the pathways.
You see this? This is what happens when you ignore your garden. But today we're fixing it. Okay, let's just be honest here for a second. Things got out of control here, and this is what happens when life gets busy and the garden just does its own thing. Before I get started, I wanted to show you something I didn't learn until a couple of years ago. Most weed whackers can switch from a horizontal to a vertical function just by simply twisting the head like this. First thing you want to do is go through several passes with the weed whacker. In this particular case, it's a very enclosed space, so I had to go at it with a couple of different angles. Once you're done with the pass-throughs, blow out the debris to see what you missed, then hit it again with the weed whacker. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. It took about 20 minutes to complete. Here in this alcove is where I normally keep the bench. I went ahead and removed the bench prior to starting, and I'm following the same process that I used earlier, going over several passes with the weed whacker, and then using the leaf blower to clean up the debris. And then I would hit it again with the weed whacker. Being able to turn the head of the weed whacker at a vertical angle is really helpful in getting out all of the debris that's in the cracks. Here's the final product. It's not perfect, but I'm happy with it. The bed next to the back door with the hydrangea and the water barrel took quite a bit longer to do. That took about 45 minutes to clear off the bed and do the edging. This is one of those jobs where you see a difference right away. Just cleaning up the beds, the edges around the beds, and the path already makes everything feel much more manageable, neat, and clean.
Well, look at the difference already. It's not perfect, but it feels like a fresh start. Honestly, it's a reminder that the garden doesn't have to be perfect. Gardens go through messy seasons just like the rest of us. What matters is showing up and starting again. If you're out there doing your own spring gardening reset, you're not alone. We're all here catching up. Thank you so much. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.